Hi, welcome back again. So in this video, we are going to talk about the memory allocation. So let us just try to understand it using an example. So in previous video where we discussed about uh, variables in Python, so we were storing some variable like x is equals to 5, and we want to know how is it being stored in Python, or how is it being stored in memory. So basically, there are two parts of memory. That is, first one is, so in Python, the memory is allocated in two parts. One is the stack memory. The stack memory is a continuous type of memory that is one upon another. That is like this. So let us say you are storing maybe more than one variable, that is x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 6. Let me just tell you what do you mean by continuous. So if you are having two variables, so the variables are being stored in this stack memory, that is x. Well, let me just try to use a different color, that is x and y, and let us say this is stack memory, one of the part of two memory, and the other one is the heap memory. It is kind of random pile of data. So the other part, so this is the variable name, it is being stored in stack memory, and the other part, that is the data itself or the object, it is being stored in the heap memory randomly, just like a pile, like this 6 and 5. So now how will it know like what is the value being held by y, or what is the value which is being held by x? So there is something that is known as reference. So this reference is nothing but a kind of relationship which binds it with its object. So similarly, y is being bind with 6, and this very same thing is known as a reference. This is known as reference, REFERENCE, and these are nothing but reference. Okay, so in other programming languages there are other things, that is there is another name to it, that is pointer, but in Python there are no pointer, there are references. So basically, y is referring to a value that is 6, and x is referring to a value that is 5. And these, let me just rephrase it again, x and y are variable name, these are being stored in stack memory, and these actual objects are being stored in this heap memory. And please take a note that this heap memory is not the same as heap data structure. This is just a name given to it. So basically, these are just two type of memory which is being allocated to Python, like the data which is being stored in Python, and these two are being stored in a memory block. So basically, this is how it is being stored. And let's just try to name it as well. This is the memory. Okay, just give me a moment. Now you can see that stack and heap are just the subset of this whole memory. So this is how these variables and their values are being stored in computer. Let us just meet in next video.